हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 9 का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का चैप्टर 4 इलेक्टोरल पॉलिटिक्स के एमसीक्यूज। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की वीडियो। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है द मैकेनिज्म बाय विच पीपल चूज देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स एंड चेंज दैम if they wish to do so is called. Options are politics, elections, universal adult franchise, or voting process. Answer is elections. Next question is the document issued by the political party which deals with the problem and policies of the party is called. Options are legal declarations, election manifesto, code of conduct, or party ticket. Answer is election manifesto. Next question is the machine that shows the names of the candidate and the party symbol to record votes is. Options are EVM, ballot paper, candidate's declaration, or counting machine. Answer is EVM. Next question is the list of those citizens who are eligible to vote is. Options are code of conduct, electoral roll, manifesto, or election schedule. Answer is electoral roll. Next question is turnout figure indicate. Options are people's participation in election, percentage of eligible voters who actually cast their votes, or interest of voters in election related activities, or all of above. Answer is all of above. Next question is National Voters Day celebrated in India on. Options are 25th June, 25th January, 26th November, or 22nd December. Answer is 25th January. Next question is political competition is good for a democratic country. Options are it gives power to people to reward leaders for their performance, or it gives power to people to punish leaders for their performance, or it forces all the parties and leaders to serve the people. Answer is or all of above. Answer is all of above. पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन से ये सारी पावर्स लोगों को मिल जाती हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टर्म ऑफ ऑल इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स कम टू एन एंड एट आफ्टर. ऑप्शंस आर 7 years, 5 years, 3 years और 6 years. आंसर इज 5 years. हर 5 साल में इलेक्शन होते हैं रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स के लिए, क्योंकि 5 साल में उनका जो टर्म है वो खत्म हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इलेक्टोरल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज आर. ऑप्शंस आर द एरिया वेयर लीडर्स कैन असेंबल फॉर मीटिंग्स, द एरिया वेयर पॉलिटिकल ऑफिसेज कैन बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड, और the country is divided into different areas for the purpose of election, or places where citizens can represent their problems. Answer is the country is divided into different areas for the purpose of election, and those different areas are known as electoral constituencies. Next question is member of state assemblies are called as. Options are MPs, MLAs, leaders, or party members. Answer is MLAs. Next question is reserved constituencies created by the makers of the Constitution. Options are to provide fair chance to get elected to the parliament, or to be able to solve problems of weaker sections represented by their representatives, or both 1 and 2, or none of these. Answer is both 1 and 2. Next question is what is the principle of universal adult franchise? Options are every citizen has one vote, every adult citizen of 18 years has right to vote, or each vote should have equal value, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question is what should be the minimum age for being a candidate? Options are 18 years, 30 years, 25 years, or 35 years. Answer is 25 years. Next question is the legal declarations made by every party candidate. Options are details of assets and liabilities of the candidate and their family, or educational qualification of candidates, or details of serious criminal case against the candidate, or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. लीगल डिक्लेरेशंस जो होते हैं उसमें कैंडिडेट को ये सारी चीज़ें इनके इस बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करानी होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अपॉइंट्स चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर इन इंडिया? ऑप्शंस आर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, और पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. आंसर इज प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को अपॉइंट करते हैं. Next question is the set of norms and guidelines to be followed by political parties and candidates during election time is called. Options are ballot paper, party ticket, code of conduct, or election manifestos. Answer is code of conduct. Next question is who can be denied the right to vote? Options are criminals, people with mental disability, or both 1 and 2, or none of these. Answer is both 1 and 2 means criminals और वो people जो mentally disabled हैं उनको right to vote से deny किया जा सकता है. Next question is who gave slogan Save Democracy in Lok Sabha? Options are Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Jayaprakash Narayan, or B.R. Ambedkar. Answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. That is all for today. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर लीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. आई बटन में दूसरी रिलेटेड वीडियोस की लिंक गिवन है, आप वहां से जाके दूसरी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, या डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी लिंक गिवन है, वहां से जाके भी दूसरी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.